Bedtime Story by Miss R. Under my bed. I wake up at night feeling thirsty. I want to get some water. I start looking for my slippers under the bed. Oh my god! There is a tiger under my bed! Now what should I do? Should I call Ma? What if the tiger roars? Should I just go back to sleep? But I am not sleepy anymore. Then someone turns on the light. Ma is standing at the door. What happened there? Did you call me? Asked Ma. I point towards the tiger. Ma bends and pulls the tiger out from under the bed. Hey, this is no tiger. This is my thick yellow and black sweater. Its button shines like a tiger's eyes. I get scared for nothing. Ma gets me some water. Now I will sleep and dream about real tigers in a jungle.